Domino provides a truly global service network, not only in the traditional markets but also in the fast-growing emerging markets where OEM support is required now and will be required in the future. Equipment reliability, integration into existing production lines and globally consistent support are key requirements for OEMs when choosing a coding provider. Providing a reliable product that can thrive in the tough production environments is also hugely important. Our customer's name is on the packaging line, so they can't afford to be undermined by an unreliable printer that stops production. OEMs need solutions which can be easily integrated within their existing systems and networks so they can provide simplified installations and automation online for their customers. Domino can also support in the form of extended warranty packages to meet with their customers' financial profiles. We have extensive knowledge of the latest developments and innovations that affect businesses within the packaging machinery sector. This means we can help to provide OEM customers with the truly global service and support infrastructure they require.